So yesterday, how to connect Power BI app. So I will share you that link today, that URL. So how to sign up for Power BI service account for free version, 60 days. So I will share that video. If you are on the sector. నాకేమో అథెంటికేటర్ వచ్చింది. మీరు లాగిన్ అవుతున్నారు చూడండి, యాప్ పవర్ బై డాట్ మీకు లాగిన్ ఉందా? నాకేమో అథెంటికేటర్ వచ్చింది. అథెంటికేటర్ అంటే ఆల్రెడీ అథెంటికేషన్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే.
सर वॉइस हॉस्टल इसमें
సారీ మ్యూట్ లో ఉన్నా సాయి. Hello, Sai, am I audible now?
Hi sir, yes, sir.
Okay, I was talking in mute. Okay, so yesterday, uh, yesterday class we have like how to deploy the report and how to set up a account and deploy how to set up a account in Power BI service level and how to deploy the report into Power BI service. The concept is uh, explained yesterday class. So I will share the video, but after this class. So today, like today, what we are going to do is, so we want to this report is refreshed up to yesterday. We want to refresh for today. I want to refresh every day for this report. There is two approach. One is whatever the the first method is whatever the desktop level you have to refresh. There is a refresh option in the desktop level. So then he can refresh, enter the report and deploy it. That is not a feasible solution because there is a manpower is required every day on day by day basis. So the second approach is we can refresh through Power BI service itself. So here there is a option. So go to semantic model. There is a option setting. Go to setting and refreshes. But before that, what is before that? There is a concept. So here I have designed a report Power BI desktop. Let us assume loan dashboard. So loan dashboard I have designed. Okay. So this report is designed through the Power BI desktop and deployed to Power BI service. So Power BI service here. Let's see here. This is Power BI service. So loan dashboard is deployed. Okay. Let us assume we have deployed. So now we want to refresh. We want to refresh in Power BI service. So directly because the source are on premises SQL server we have used in that. Let us assume Excel CSV also used. Let us assume. So so this is on premises servers. On premises servers. So basically we want to refresh this data in the service level. This files is there in your mission, right? So how to identify these files is there in your mission, the location, everything. We for that we need to give a connect. We need to create a connections and we need to that connection. So in between we want to refresh the data. So there is a concept gateways is required. Okay. So gateway is a like it's a communication established between the source file to Power BI service. So let's go for theoretical part. So Power BI models, okay, gateway. So gateway, uh, So basically, for automation of the manual task can be achieved with the help of schedules in Power BI. Following tasks can be performed using schedule. One is refreshing the data set or subscription. So let's go for Power BI. So there is again gateways. We have two types of gateways. Okay, let's explain what is meant by gateway. It builds a connection between Power BI service and on-premises data store. Very clear, right? Very clear, right? So it's a build a connection between on-premises. This is on-premises. On-premises means SQL server, Excel, or any file, and then Power service, Power BI service, Power BI service. Okay. So when the PBX file is published from Power BI desktop to PBS service, the dataset and report is uploaded in PBS service. So in order to update the report or schedule reports to be performed on dataset through gateway, this scenario is depicted below. So this is the scenario. So I just now I explained this diagram similarly. Okay. So we can talk about the gateways. Gateways are defined two types. The first one is personal gateway. So enterprise gateway. Second one. For enterprise gateway, this license is not supported. So whatever we have taken, that is free, right? So that for that we have to purchase on premises, like we have to purchase the software. So if this is a free software, it will support personal gateway. That means it is your local machine, it will support. Okay. So on premises, like it will support for enterprise like organization, big organization, they will purchase the software. Okay. So gateways are defined, personal gateway and enterprise. What is the major difference between these two? I will say this document. So this is a personal gateway. For example, you have installed gateway that is set up in your mission. So it will use for you want to refresh only for your purpose of. So personal gateway. So user specific. This is multiple users can use this gateway. I cannot use your gateway. Got it. So if you do enterprise gateway, so enterprise gateway, we will install one server, not even. We have centralized servers. So we can deploy, we can install that gateway in the servers. So that servers we can use any user. If you have access for that gateway, we can the software is also different. No, same software, same software. Based on that license, based on you have to sign in, right? Based on that signing, will take it. So every user needs to set up the gateway in their system, your system. So it can be set up once in one server system. Okay, and access is given to all the users. You have to install one server and give access for all the users. Okay, this is clear, right? Every user needs to manage their personal gateway. I have now we have one user, we have one user install, and I'm also one user. So every mission, personal mission, we have to set up personally. But here, this Power BI admin will manage this thing. So Power BI admin, who is Power BI admin? As per the so organization level. So for license based, this will take generally Power BI admin. But based on the small organization, Power BI developer come admin. Okay. So Power BI admin will do only at the Power BI service level. The role is. It can be only used for Power BI. It can be used for all Office 365 applications like Power BI, Power Apps, Azure Analysis Service. So there is Power Apps also is there. Okay. Every user needs to manage their data source, central and centralized and single source of data source management. So no control on the data sources. The administrator will control and monitor the usage. Connect, import or schedule data requests. Only this personal gateway is required only for import method. Direct method does not support this. But here it will import and directory and direct method. For all the things, it will support. That is the difference. We learned only for import and what is the live connection and SSIS cubes. We never use. So that is different environment. We have to set up for cubes relative. That is not required. So anyway, if they will ask, so the import, how many tabs available? Two tabs. Import, no. Import view, table view, table view, model view, and DAX query. Four things. Direct query, only three. What is that? What are those? Report view, table view cannot because it will connect directly table, directly to the table, and model view and DAX query. So live query only two, only one. Only DAX also not support. DAX support live only one report view. Only report view. That's all. Connecting import or scheduled data refreshes. Connect to import directory live connection scheduled data refreshes. This small organization or individual usually go with this gateway. When we will go for this gateway, team environments or medium large organization usually go with this. So they will ask definitely what is the difference between what is meant by gateway and what is the purpose of gateways, and explain. So sometimes they will ask gateways will support for on cloud, does not support. No, the cloud already is there. No communication is there. Power-based service already cloud there. So cloud automatically connect. No need to any gateways. For cloud, cloud. So wherever the data is there on cloud, no required for gateways. So wherever, like on-premise server is located one place, this one is located one place, right? That's the reason we want to connect through Power BI service. So first of all, we have to install gateway. That means if the code exists, gateway is not required. Any cloud server is there in the gateway. Yes, perfect, exactly. So clear, right? Separation.
Personally, enterprise local same ఉంటుంది ఇక్కడ సింగిల్ ఇంటర్ఫేస్ చేయండి ఇక్కడ మల్టిపుల్
Personal gateways, mana only this mission only support. You want to use my personal gateways, you cannot use it again. Okay, this only for this system. So whereas enterprise gateways, it will be installed one server. ఒక సర్వర్ లో ఇన్స్టాల్ చేసి అక్కడ నీకు నాకు అందరికి యాక్సెస్ ఇచ్చేసి అప్పుడు ఎంతమంది అయినా కనెక్ట్ కావాలి. సో సింగిల్ యూజర్ మల్టిపుల్ యూజర్స్. యా అదే చెప్తున్నా, అక్కడికి ఏమైంది, ఇక్కడ ఓన్లీ ఇంపోర్ట్ మెథడ్ సపోర్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఇక్కడ ఏముంది, ఇంపోర్ట్ డైరెక్ట్ లైవ్ మేజర్ థింగ్. ఇది యూసేజ్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్స్ వెరీ స్మాల్ సింగిల్ యూజర్ యూ కెన్ యూస్ ఫర్ దిస్ వన్. దట్ వన్ వచ్చేసి ఇట్ ఇస్ అ లార్జ్ ఆర్గనైజేషన్, it will support. Simple ga. So this is not important when it is cloud storage. When you are doing cloud storage, gateway is not required, but this concept is required. So if it is on premises, right? So minimum recommendation for gateway installation 8 GB RAM, 8 core processor, operating system Windows 8 or higher version, Windows Server 2008 or higher version, .NET 4.5 framework is mandatory. So in your future, some framework is install install the gateway, configure the gateway, add the admins to the gateway, run the gateway, manage the gateway. These are the 5 steps. So first of all, let's go for how to install the gateway. So where we can download? So for any software we can download from here. Data gateway. So here also 2 types it will ask. Yeah, separate software. So download personal mode, download standard mode. Standard mode means enterprise mode. So download, as of now I am going to download personal mode. Everyone download it. Sai, for reference, you can take this one. I will share the link.
Okay.
can download. Just configure it.
కానీ ఇప్పుడే రాదేమో సార్, నేను క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు కదా.
అవునవును, క్రియేట్ చేయలేదు కాబట్టి రాదు. Yeah. Meanwhile, I can deploy yesterday. What is happening? Oh my God.
ఆడియో సపరేట్, వీడియో సపరేట్.
So this is for our classroom. Yeah. Yeah, Sai.
సార్
సో ఇదంతా ఈ వీడియోలో నీకు సెటప్ చేసేది, గేట్ వర్క్ స్పేస్ ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేసేది అంతా చెప్పాను. సో ఈ వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను.
ఓకే సార్.
ఈ వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తాను క్లాస్ అయిపోయింది. లేదు ఉంటుంది మీకు నెక్స్ట్ ఆన్లైన్ ఉంటాయి. ఈ వీక్ అయిపిస్తా మొత్తం, సండే కూడా పెట్టేసాయి మీకు. మళ్ళీ ఆన్లైన్ పెట్టండి, ఆన్లైన్ ఆన్లైన్ మాకు మీరు రోజుకు ఒక కాన్సెప్ట్ ఫీల్ అంటే చేస్తారు. మీకు ఈరోజు ఫైల్ ఎందుకు అది రెడ్ మార్క్ వచ్చిందో మాకు తెలియదు. అది అంటే
IT calls, the exam topics.
Ready to elevate your IT career? With exam topics, access the gold standard of exam.
is the file name.
సార్ ఇక్కడ డిస్ప్లే అయితలేదు సార్ ఇది.
లేదు లేదు లేదు, నేను స్టాప్ చేశాను. ఒక్క సెకండ్ స్టాప్ చేసిన, అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నా. వాట్ ఈస్ ద కాన్సెప్ట్? పవర్ బేస్ సర్వీస్ అకౌంట్ సెట్. నీ ఆ వీడియో అప్లోడ్ చేస్తున్నా అందులో. పవర్ బేస్ సర్వీస్ అకౌంట్ సెట్ అకౌంట్, పవర్ బేస్ సర్వీస్ అకౌంట్ క్రియేషన్ and workspace creation. అంటే మర్చిపోతున్నా పాపం, లేట్ అయిపోతుంది నాకు, మళ్ళీ ఆఫీస్ అయిపోతుంది, హడావిడి అయిపోతుంది. నేను మళ్ళీ అది కాక 2 క్లాసులు డెమో చేస్తాను. ఒక డెమో అయిపోయినాక మళ్ళీ ఇమీడియట్ గా to give private only PPPs. Again, I have to give access. Gateways, not gateways, right? Okay, this will be closed to leave it. So I'm sharing that screen, uploading, right? That's the reason I am not sharing. Okay. So gateway is downloaded for me, hopefully. Okay. Let's go for on-premise data gateway. EXE. So I'm going to install for that. Hmm? Okay. So install to which location? This location it will be asked. Do the same location and install. Click install. Installing your on-premise data gateway personal mode only. See here, very clearly tell you personal mode. So after installation, so we are going to download it and so install. Then email address we have to. The installation is done. The next step is we have to set up that account. Email address is to this gateway. Okay. Sign in. So here, based on sign in, what is the software, right? What is the license you have for that? Based on that, it will be. You have to pass that. We lost. So be ready with email address to this is gateway. So sticky notes, right? Hmm. Hmm. చెప్పండి, 5 నిమిషాలు కాల్ చేసి మీటింగ్ లో It went to mute. Sai, please let me know if you are not hearing any voice. I went to again mute. Automatically.
సార్
చెప్పు వాయిస్ రాకపోతే అప్పుడే ఇమీడియట్ గా చెప్పేసాయి.
ఓకే, నేను అనుకున్నాను మీరు మ్యూట్ చేస్తున్నారేమో అని చెప్పి నేను
ఆహా.
అడుగుతాను.
లేదు అది ఆటోమేటిక్ గా అయిపోయింది. మేము చూస్తే ఇక్కడ కూడా మ్యూట్ ఏం పెట్టలేదు.
ఓకే
ఓకే, నువ్వు ఏదన్నా చెప్పు. సో ఇప్పుడు సో ఫార్ యూ సా రైట్ హౌ టు దిస్ వన్, హౌ టు ఇన్స్టాల్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్, రైట్? హ్యావ్ యూ డన్ ఇన్స్టాలేషన్?
నో సార్.
ఓకే ఓకే ఫైన్, దట్స్ ఫైన్. యా, గో టు దిస్.
ఎందుకంటే వీడియో ఇప్పుడు డౌన్లోడ్ అయింది కదా, పంపించారు కదా సార్ వీడియో మీరు.
అది మళ్ళీ చూద్దలేదు వీడియో. ఈ క్లాస్ అయిపోయినాక కూర్చొని ఈ 2 వీడియోస్ ఇది కూడా పంపిస్తా, 2 చూసుకొని నీకు రేపటికి సెట్ అవుతుంది. ఓకే
ఓకే
yeah, go to this one, go to Symantec, click here, setting. Okay, now gateway cloud connections will come. Okay, so status is running on desktop here. So you want to check whether the status is running or not. Go to services. No, ikkada local search, go to services, general services. You are aware, right? Okay, I will cancel it. Search here, search. Okay, search here, services. Sorry, yeah, just click it, services. Okay, then type here, select any one on premises and type it on premises. On premises. So let me status. Is there any option to search? Okay. Gateway. Can you find out anyone is gateway? So on-premises gateway will come for enterprise version, but local personal mode, I'm not sure that gateway will come. Just anyway. So looks like this kind of one service is there. I will find out that service and get with it. So simply it is running. So once running, on-premises gateway. Any related gateway? No. These are all the services inbuilt. This is system related, not for these services, Power BI services. So looks like సో ఒక సర్వీస్ అది కూడా ఎనేబుల్ అయి ఉంటుంది సేమ్. ఆన్ ప్రెమిస్ సర్వీస్ అనేది ఉంటుంది మరి. మరి okay, leave it for that part. It's not anyway important. Okay. So we have enabled. So gateways. Okay. So how to set up gateways already? Here it is running on this mission. No issues. So we can status check running on this mission. Okay. No cloud connections as of now. Okay. Data source. So global edutech edit credentials. So we have to give basic Windows permission, privacy level, public, and capacity. Okay, you have to configure this one. Click report viewers can only access details if they want to. Okay, click yes. Yeah. So now, as part of this report, we have used this server, right? Global EduTech desktop. This is a server for expression, for SQL Server expression edition. So we are giving linear credential. So we are going for Windows authentication. Okay. Now we have to verify the services. Yes. So now, go to back here, Global EduTech. So now, so earlier when you do refresh now, okay, earlier it will throw error. Okay, now let's see. Now it is running. Okay, see. So we have installed a gateway. And so how to schedule this report? So how to schedule this report? So let's see. Go to you want to cancel this refresh, so going to cancel it. Okay. When you click here, it will go. You want to see the report history, schedule refresh history. Click it, it will navigate to report history. How much time is taken, we can identify. So it is on demand. So if it is coming on demand, we have run manually. Okay. That will I will let you know. This is start time. This is end time. Status is in progress. If any errors will come, you can able to see here. So close it and we have to watch it. Like you can refresh history. So completed. So it will take for the data refresh. It will take max 1 minute. Okay, the duration. Start time. The report refresh is started 8:39 and end with 8:40. Almost all 1 minute. Okay. We'll let you know one by one. Let's see if you have any issues. How to refresh schedule for this. This is very important. Now gateways and cloud connections. So as of now, on premises gateways, personal gateway we have installed. No cloud connections. Data source. How many? Only as of now, as part of this report, we have only one connections. Okay, data source. Only one data source. So let's see what are the data source. And there is another option called as refresh in the below. Okay. So refresh. You want to enable refresh, just click on. So by default is off. Default option is off. You want to refresh daily, daily or weekly. Only it will support daily or weekly. Okay. I want to execute this report on daily basis. So what is that? Yeah, time. So etc. I'm going to adding the time. So I'm going to add. So 8:50, 8:55 a.m. 8:45. So only 30 minutes it will support, like either this schedule 00 or 30. So AM. So I'm going to give 9. Okay, that's case 9 AM. So you want to add another time, so you can give it. You want to multiple times per day, you can give it. Add it anyway. And finally, so I don't want to this schedule, so I want to execute this time only. Okay, apply. So this contacts. So whenever you want to fail this notification, I want to give notification. This are. So I want to give same organization. So you want to. So by default, whenever the gateway configure, by default you won't be the owner of this system. So you want. So once fail, will notify only for. You want to notify. So for example, you are working as a team. You are developer. I'm support. So whatever who is the owner for this report? Like means whoever set up this set up the gateway configuration only notify for that once the report is filed. So for you want to see the same time you want to once you want to add another members as well as in the group like support team is there. So that's let us assume support team is there. So we want to add those contacts. Once can I add my email ID? No, Gmail does not support. Only within the organization it support. Okay. Click apply. So once apply, just watch it here. Again, global edit tag. Let's see now schedule is enabled. So we have configured next schedule. So for today, it will be once done. But in that time, the server should be on. So this is not online, right? This is offline. So the server should be enabled. Means the system should be on computer. Okay. For this reference, we did not configure. That's the reason. Next reference is not applicable. Means we did not configure. Yeah. This is the way of installation.
My question is how the
Three dots can setting gateway connection, gateway and cloud connection. Click it. Come down. Data source credentials. Everything is done, right? That's click it, edit credential. Windows application. Okay, sign in. Click sign in. So now refresh again. We go to back to the report. Refresh. What is the error rate? Just go to the what is the error? Third option. Okay. Go to third option. Three buttons are there. No, before that one. No.
Next one.
Next one. Click that one. Schedule refresh. Click that. Double click. So go to reports. Refresh history. So go to refresh history. You want to see what is that message? You cancel it, right?
how will I
The process is cancelled. You cancelled it. Unfortunately, you press that button. Again, we restarted, right? Wait. The another one is in progress. So what you did is simple. See, go to see here. So unfortunately, you pressed this button. So while doing the refresh, unfortunately, let's see, I am going to refresh. Unfortunately, this button, you pressed this button. So let's say if you cancel this one, so the same notification will come. Go to refresh history. See here, cancel. The refresh is cancelled by a user. The same message is issued by the
Again, after 9 days, again you refresh.
again it will be refreshed. This is right now, so I don't want to. Right now there is an issue.
So, but how we can make it next time? So, you don't actually complete.
Again you can refresh it. Now go to here. How many times you want to manually, you can run it. That is not issue. So you can run it again. So refresh now. See here option. So just click it, it run it. So I want to run now. Just click this run. Running. There. This configuration is required. So interview point, they will ask how to configure gateway. What is mean by gateway? Gateway also is a part of development. Like admin side, but we have to tell we have more values. So I have set up so gateways I have configured how to create. So yesterday 59 days, then 58 days. So I have two connections. So one is global. So I have two data sources. This is online. అవుతుంది ఎంతసేపు అవుతుంది 1 minute లో అవుతుంది రీఫ్రెష్ చేయండి హిస్టరీకి వెళ్ళి చూడు చెక్ చేయి గో టు హిస్టరీ yeah see here so whatever the gateway we created personal mode so you have to click by default on premises is there here. Go to filter here no refresh history okay how to go here is go to setting just watch it go to setting so this is very important option manage and connections gateways so whatever the gateways installed for example for PA we have one gateway for development one gateway for production one gateway we have configured 3 gateways so in that it will show 3 gateways tomorrow I can show you my office right now so how it is there go to on premises data gateway this is not on premises gateway this is personal mode gateway personal when you click here personal gateway so this is Venkat B the gateway name when you set up so this is that's fine on premises click all no here రాలేదు no second option go to here not that here second option now try here so this is second up go to on premises data gateways and on-premises data gateway personal. If we click all, you can see on-premises or personal, all the gateways we can see. How many gateways are configured? You want to check? We can able to see by using this setting and manage gateways and go to here on-premises data gateways. This is connections. Connection is nothing but data source like SQL Server connections or Excel connections. Whatever the connections is created for this report, for any report, we can able to see here. I can see you tomorrow for the connections. Okay. This is here for gateway concept. So we have already configured. Refresh the data. Only purpose is how to. What is the purpose of gateways? Gateways. It's establish connection between. Power BI సంబంధం ఇదంతా పవర్ బై సర్వీస్ అన్ని పవర్ బై అది క్లౌడ్ లో అయితే no need to. So how to set up everything is done. Okay. How to download that one is not required. Anyway, on premises is not
learning will user takes not most of the it's not easy task. Most people will take that. If you teach me then it takes maximum of half an hour or
ఇవన్నీ అంత అవసరం ఉండదు మీకు ఈ కాన్సెప్ట్ వైజ్ మీరు ఎలా క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు అవన్నీ అంత సో దట్స్ ఆల్ ఫ్రమ్ గేట్వేస్. సో ఫర్ ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇంకా మేజర్ పర్పస్ ఎలా అంటే నిన్న డేటాకి ఒక రికార్డ్ యాడ్ చేయండి ఆ టేబుల్. ఈరోజు రేపు రీఫ్రెష్ అయినాక ఆ రికార్డ్ వచ్చిన చెక్ చేయండి. 9:30 తర్వాత 9:30. So we can edify it. Simple. Go to workspace, global edutech workspace, and let's see. The next schedule is there. What is the next schedule? Next request 9:30. We have given 9:30. Yeah, 9:30 a.m. we have given. So it will be execute 9:30 a.m. So I have so far I have run 3 times. Go to setting, and we can verify here also. Refresh this. So the first one is completed successfully. Second one is completed. In case if the gateway failed, complete కాలేదు. ఒకసారి కూడా కాలేదు. కంప్లీట్ కాలేదు. What is that? You can check the status with online or offline. So this is offline. Right. So let's see why offline. Okay. So this is database credential issues. Red credential. That's it. That's it. Let's start. Go to first. Now, so we have face this. David? So running. Now it is taking time. So just, is it clear for you? Verify. Sai, that's all for today class. I will upload now itself this video.
Okay, sir.